In this video, we will review how to manage your sponsors. Sponsors are organizations, businesses, and supporters of your cause. Generally, they have donated funds or in-kind services for your event and appreciate the recognition of your organization. From your admin area, go to Sponsors, Manage Sponsors. Here, you can add an unlimited number of sponsors by using the Add New Sponsor function. Sponsor name is the business or individual's name as they wish it to appear on your website. Next, you can choose the sponsorship package associated with the sponsor and enter the company name if different than above and URL of the sponsor. The contact information for the sponsor, including the contact's name, address, and phone, will not appear on the website and is for your internal tracking only. The description field allows you to include a 1,000-word description about the sponsor on your website. Note that this feature will not appear on standard edition sites. We have optional fields for internal tracking purposes. Sponsor active, we can set this field to no if we do not wish to have the sponsor appear on the website, and the sponsor banner. The sponsor banner can be uploaded here, similar to adding an attachment to an email. Hit Add to add your sponsor and save this information. Now we will see the sponsor in our sponsor listing. The sponsor page will appear as its own page on your public website.